If you're seeing a SketchUp error loading model message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get your file open again without wasting time. This issue usually comes from a corrupt file, a version mismatch, or even a plugin conflict, and the good news is that there are several simple things you can try before you give up on the model. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. First, let's start with the backup file, because this is often the fastest way to recover your work. When SketchUp saves your model, it may also create a backup file with the .skb extension. Go to the folder where your SketchUp file is saved and look for a file with the same name as your project, but ending in .skb. If you find it, rename that file by changing the extension from .skb to .skp. For example, if your file is called filename.skb, rename it to filename_backup.skp or simply filename.skp, depending on how your system handles the rename. Then try opening that file in SketchUp. In many cases, this backup was saved just before the last successful save, which means it can be your best chance at recovering the model. If that doesn't work, the next step is to try importing the model into a brand new SketchUp file. Open SketchUp and start with a blank template so you're working in a clean environment. Then go to File and choose Import. Select the problematic model and see if SketchUp can bring it in this way instead of opening it directly. Sometimes the error loading model issue happens during the initial loading process, and importing can bypass whatever is causing the failure. This is a great troubleshooting step because it helps you determine whether the problem is with the file itself or with the way SketchUp is trying to open it. Now let's look at extensions and plugins, because faulty Ruby scripts can definitely cause loading problems. If you have any third-party extensions installed, one of them may be interfering with the model opening process. To test this, close SketchUp completely and go to your plugins folder. Move any suspicious or recently installed plugins out of that folder temporarily, then reopen SketchUp and try loading the file again. If the model opens normally after that, you've likely found the cause. You can then add the plugins back one by one until you identify the one creating the conflict. This step is especially important if the error started appearing after installing a new extension. Another thing to check is where the file is stored. If your SketchUp model is on a network drive, shared folder, Dropbox, OneDrive, or any other cloud sync location, that can sometimes cause path issues or syncing conflicts. To rule that out, move the file to your local desktop or another folder on your computer that is not syncing in real time. Then try opening it again from there. Opening local copies is always safer for troubleshooting because it removes extra variables like network interruptions, file locking, and incomplete syncs. If the model still will not open, the next step is to repair SketchUp itself. Close the program completely, then run the SketchUp installer as an administrator. When prompted, choose the repair option if it's available. This can fix missing files, damaged components, or installation issues that may be affecting how SketchUp loads models. If repair is not enough, you may need to reinstall SketchUp entirely to refresh the application and remove any damaged program files. You also need to check for version incompatibility because this is a very common cause of the error loading model message. A newer SketchUp file may not open correctly in an older version of SketchUp. So if the model was created in a later version than the one you're using, you may need to open it in the same version or a newer one first. If possible, ask the person who created the file to save it in a compatible version or use a newer SketchUp installation to open and resave it in a format your version can read. If you have tried all of these steps and the file still refuses to open, the model may be severely corrupted. At that point, your best options are usually the backup file, a newer version of SketchUp, or rebuilding the project from recovered components if possible. But in many cases, one of the steps in this video will get your file working again. So to recap, try the .skb backup file first, import the model into a new blank SketchUp file, disable extensions, move the file off cloud storage to a local folder, repair or reinstall SketchUp, and make sure the file version matches your software version. These steps solve most SketchUp error loading model issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.